Hey guys, the Legend of Noah here. This is how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First you want to find the white, so which is right here. Then you want to find all the edges. Then you want to make a cross. Then you see this edge and how it's red. You want to match that up with red, so red's right here. And this one's blue. Blue's right here. So we can put that in. So now we have those two. Now we need to find the other two. And we see green. Green's right here. So we can move the top over and insert it in and then move it over. Now we have three and the last one is right here. Then we can go up, and over. See, look, now since you got the first cross, you can move on to getting the corners oriented. And so this one's blue and red. We need that color over here. So look, blue and red. And this color can go right here. So now we have that one, and not all the time you'll get this edge piece in solving it the beginner way. Next we see this one can go into there because it's green and orange. Green and orange. So how we can do that, instead of leaving that over, we can set that over to the side. Bring this one up, put that down, and then bring that in. So now you have that one in the correct spot, but not that. Oh look, orange and blue. Orange and blue. So what we can do is exit it, get that back right there, then go this one and down over there. Okay, the last one, you should be able to get that in just by putting it in. Okay, next you're gonna have to listen to the pattern. So if you don't know one sec, trying to remember the word. If you don't know what your notations are, search up Rubik's 3x3 notations. Okay, on Google. Okay, so look, so you want to line this up with this. So you want to line up the color, this color. Make sure, so it doesn't matter this part. So look, green's up here and green's right here. So what you want to do is U prime, L, U, L prime. Wait, that's L. Get back. Sorry, I messed up. So we got U prime, L prime, U, L, U prime, wait, F, U prime down. I also have them up in the screen up top. Next we see green up here, green right here, red right here. So what we want to do is the opposite of that. So U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, and R, F, sorry. Then we have to find the last one, which is right here, which is the same one as the last one, which is U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, and down. Now you got your first two layers. Now what you want to do is, you see this clock thing? What you want to do is F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Then you got this. You want to make sure you're holding this in front of you and do the same thing, which is F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now you got your cross. Don't ignore the corners right now. What you want to do now is go R, U, R prime, U, R, U, U, R, U, 2, R. Okay, now you want to do that over and over. I'll demonstrate her. U, R prime, U, U, 2, R. Let's say you got it like this. Then what you want to do is the same thing. You always want to do this until you get one corner. So R, U, R, prime, U, U2, R. Now you got one corner right here. You want to hold that right here in front of you. So you want this to be in this corner. And then if you know one way to make sure for sure you'll get this the top layer solved is if this piece, the yellow part, is facing you, but it's not. You can do this by doing R, U, R prime, U, U2, R. Now you got that part orientated. Now you want to do that again. R, U, U prime, U, U2, R. Now if you have, let's say you have this, but it's a red or something, or some other color. You always want to have that piece of the back solved, pair in the back, or if there's two correct edges and not a correct middle, leave that in the back. And then you want to have this facing the other side of this side towards you and go R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R prime, B2, up, R2. Oh, sorry. Then you're left on this. 3. Sometimes you'll have 3. Sometimes you'll have this. One second. Sometimes you'll have it so that piece needs to go there, and that piece needs to go there, and that piece needs to go there, and that piece needs to go there. You want to do this for all of them. So, and once you get good at this, you might want to learn advanced methods like CFOP, which will teach you how to do this and easy moves. Okay, but what you want to do, no matter what, and if you have a solved pair in the back, solved pair anywhere, leave that in the back. Okay, what you do here is R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R, U2, R. Now you got this piece. Again, if I don't say the correct notation algorithm, I will also have these on the screen. I'll also have PDF on the beginner method as well. And you want to do that again. So R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U2, R. Do that. And stuck with another one to demonstrate, which I already got. R, U, R, wait, not U, sorry. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. That's the exact one. I'll do it again for you, which is R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R, U, R, U2. Yeah. Now we need to see that piece needs to go there, but of course we do that again, which is R, U, R. That's not U. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, U2. Now we do that again, which is R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, R2. I'll make sure to leave that up down in the description down below. I might cut it out for you guys for a sec. I don't know. But guys, thank you for watching. I'll also have I'll make a 2x2 video on how to solve a 2x2 beginner method again. Anyways, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.